In today's video, I will walk you through how to use Node tool in Inkscape. Want to get most out of this tutorial? Sign up using the link in the description below, and let's jump right in. First, launch Inkscape and open an existing document or create a new one. The Node tool lets you edit the individual points and curves that make up a vector object. You can find it on the left toolbar or press N on your keyboard. With the Node tool active, click on a vector object. You'll see small squares appear along its outline. These are the nodes that control the shape of the path. To reshape the object, click and drag a node. You can move it to adjust corners, edges, or the overall shape. For more precise adjustments, zoom in on the area you're editing. For curved sections, select a node to reveal its handles. Drag these handles to control the direction and smoothness of the curve. You can also add a new node by double-clicking on the path. This gives you more control over specific areas of the object. If you have unnecessary nodes, select one and press Delete or Backspace to remove it. When working with multiple nodes, you can select them together and use the available node controls to join or separate paths. This is useful when creating more complex vector shapes. And that's it. You've learned how to select, move, add, delete, and adjust nodes to precisely reshape your artwork in Inkscape. And that's how to use the Node tool in Inkscape. Click the link on the description below. Thank you for watching the video.